Tell Dallas to ease forward. A little bit, Dallas.
Oh, it's coming! Oh! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Oh my gosh, that didn't take anything. Oh my gosh.
Good job, Lee. Right. That was a team effort right there. Good job. Lee's pro.
Them boys didn't even appreciate it. They just took off.
Yeah, right. That's it? Here, maybe we can give us John. He can make a. You can paint it red and green and make an apple or a watermelon wedge out of it.
Oh my gosh.
But look. That's how much live wood there was. All this is dead.
Oh my gosh.
There wasn't anything.
I can't believe that went so smoothly. I mean, that was... I know. Me too.
A little excitement. All right, now we can start.